Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of May, and it's 12:15. I've been in bed. I woke up at I think 10 something. So I've just been in bed. I went downstairs to get that, and I ate it. So there's so much I need to do, but I'm really tired, really lazy, and everything under the sun. But I do want to push editing today. I need to edit my graduation vlog. But I'm going through it, I'm I didn't really record much on my graduation because it's just so many things happening. But I'll try and edit and see if it's a good video for me to post. If I don't feel like it's a good video to post, then I'm not gonna post it. I want to remove these lashes because yeah, it's time to remove them. And then I'm gonna try doing my coffee table. So I feel like I want to finish downstairs, the living room area. The only thing that will be the last thing is the TV stand. I need to look for my extension. It's somewhere in these boxes. I need to look for it. But I want to take a shower and then start getting busy. So yeah, see you guys once I'm doing something. Guys, go shower 1:30 in 3 minutes. And in my head, I'm like, what have I been doing? Absolutely nothing. This is what happens when you wake up late. Your productivity, iba low. So, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the cupboard. But I need to figure out and analyze what I want to put where. So I feel like it. Okay, since the fridge is here, I'm gonna put spices in. Since the fridge and the stove are close to each other, so here it needs to be spices. And yeah, I'm gonna see but like spices, sauces here. Here, groceries. I'm gonna put groceries here. Yeah, I'm gonna put my groceries here, like your starch type of stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna see, like, I'm just you know, here obviously utensils and the stuff, and here I think since this side is food, I need to start, because I'm one person. I don't want to put too many like things, but I'll figure it out, honestly. Maybe here it's like the nice things, like the snacks and all the good stuff. I feel like the snacks need to be there, but I'll just put them here. And I know snacks are gonna last. What's this? Is this a cover? Okay, no. Dang it, the lash is sticking on me. And then okay. And then here I think it's just gonna be like more stuff, like, but here it's more like juices, tea stuff, or like, you know, so things I'm gonna be drinking and things I'm gonna be eating, drinking, because I want to have a lot of those. Oh my gosh, I can't do that. Here it needs to be utensils, amapoto. You know what, I'm just gonna see what I do. So I'm just gonna be wiping off everything, and then you're gonna be seeing me packing everything. So let me just fill in water again. This is like stressful, but it's a good kind of stress. I'm forever grateful. So I need to take the box that's upstairs. Oh, there's one here. The one upstairs is like spices and stuff. So the one that's here and the one that's there, we're gonna start with those, put them outside. Yeah, we're gonna start with those, and then once I'm done packing, we put the boxes outside, and then I move on to something. I just want to clear the downstairs and set up the TV. I want to see if this is gonna work, because if it needs a TV box, I'm gonna cry. Hey. Guys, there's just a lot of things that I have and not enough storage, because I need to have stuff for food, obviously. So now as I'm going through these things, double. So I'm just gonna like put them aside, and then I don't know when I'm gonna see my mom. I was tired too. But like, there's too many things in doubles. Like, forks, there's and the utensils, there's double. Chewy. So double. We'll see if I can finish here downstairs today. I don't know if I still want to drag out this vlog because I have like so many things already because I was like buying before getting a place. But now as I can see, like some things, I don't know. So I just finished doing the kitchen and I'm happy that I'm done with that because the sorting out and all of that, I realized that I had like extra things or like things were double and I just put them all in like one bag. And whenever my brother or my mom comes, I don't know when, I'm gonna just have to give it to them. So I'm just gonna show you what I planned, what I did, and yeah. So these stuff just needs to be washed. It's just like 3 shot glasses anymore, and a dessert dish. So that's fine, I'll just clean it. So here I saw Bella under the sink, kitchen stuff and bath stuff, and then I put this like that, and then over here I'm just gonna put glass things only, glasses. So I still need to get like wine glasses, champagne glasses, and other kinds of glasses. And then this is just a vase that I got, and then here it's gonna be Tupperwares and ceramics. I feel like that makes more sense. And then here I already sorted out the way I wanted it to be. I feel like this whisk, I must put it there, but there's already another whisk there, so it's fine. And if people's like, why you have 2 whisks? One whisk is going to be for cooking, one whisk for baking. And then here I put 2 trays and 2 cutting boards, a plastic one and a wooden one. And then I got this wooden spoons, mixers, I don't know what the others are called. And then I got the steel ones. And then here it's just gonna be groceries that I'm gonna put. And then here I added a salt and pepper shaker, and that's that. I kind of liked how I set up everything in the kitchen. Looks clean. These things are just, this is the bag that has extra stuff, or the stuff that were double, and then here it's just like other things like my school stuff. And then there I put that wine rack, so the wine that I gave might as well just sit over there as decoration. So yeah, so right now I think I just want to take a break, drink some water, and then after that we're gonna tackle the TV room, which is not that difficult. It's just having to move everything and putting it in the right places. So I think, yeah, for today I'm just gonna do the kitchen and the lounge area, and then after that I'm gonna just chill, relax, get some food because I haven't eaten. And then after that I'm just gonna, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do the bathroom and start tackling my bedroom, because the way I put the bed, I don't like it, so I'm gonna have to move it and put it the way I initially planned it. So we'll see. It's 2:30. I haven't eaten anything. I'm hungry, but the place needs to come together, and I'm glad it's coming together. I just have to clean wash them up and put it outside. The balcony is a mess. Let me show you. I feel like I prefer one place being dirty and that being the balcony. Plastics on boxes on boxes. It's crazy. So let me just drink water, relax a bit, and then I'll start doing the lounge area. Guys, yo, I can finally properly just do this. Like, there are pieces of my lashes that came off, but it's fine. Yo, guys, lashes, I'm taking a break. I don't know if they're for me, because I do have sensitive eyes, but why am I getting lashes done? Okay, so I'm free. I'm free. So this is the vibe. I don't know if I should put the gold like that. Hey vlog, this is editing me, and I just realized that I didn't close off the video properly because while I was editing I was having issues with while I was recording I was having issues with storage, and I guess I didn't go back to record an outro for you guys. So this is me doing the outro. Please don't mind me looking like this. I feel under the weather. I don't feel too good. Hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.